correct balance per the cash book. The following bank reconciliation statement has been prepared by a trainee accountant. Overdraft per bank statement, $965. Less unpresented checks, $2,290, for a total of $1,325. Add deposits credited after date, $4,173. Cash at bank is calculated above, $5,498. What should be the correct balance per the cash book? Answer: overdraft minus $965. Unpresented checks minus $2,290. Total minus $3,255. Outstanding lodgements, $4,173. Cash at bank, $918.